What up, fam? It's Anime, bro. I'm having to record this really technically early. It's like 1:30 in the morning. And this has to go out later today. So we're gonna get jumping right into it. It's the August Akibento. The theme is teamwork. So let's hurry, get this open so I can go to bed because I gotta work in the morning. Because I gotta work later. Seems to be a drawstring bag. Alright. It doesn't specify what it is, but it's just like little husky on a basketball. And it is a drawstring bag. Granted, this helps with like overnight stays and stuff, so not complaining. Next in the box, we have these weird little like pillow keychain things. This one's of Kuroko no basket. Yeah, kind of just read the tag. If you can get this thing, slide it with the thing. Yeah. See this little keychain is Satan. Yeah, so it's got its little sleeves and this little thing. It's just a little like plushy pillow keychain. Which, if I didn't give this to my cousin, she'd probably kick my ass. Oh, sorry guys. Went to grab the bag and bump the camera. Fun tidbit. Do you get motion sickness? That's the pin. We'll save that for last. Ooh, I get a new necklace. Is this the other half? Are you serious? If I'm right, this is the other half. Because I believe they gave out the first half of this thing months ago. That is, it's another necklace. This time, and this is of part of these scissor blades. This is the one with the like thumb hole in her scissors. And if I'm not mistaken, they gave the other half that has the fingers in a previous one, which would be kind of nice to have just so I'd have both. So, you know, that's kind of cool. And if I can get the other one, I will be wearing both of these. And I know it's from Kill la Kill. However, I haven't got around to watching it yet. It's on my like list of anime to watch on my anime list. It's just one of those where I haven't gotten to it yet. I'm still a lot behind. I think I have like probably about 80 or so anime on my list to watch that I haven't actually watched yet. So, you know, it's just another one on the list. But, you know, like I said, if I can get the other one, I'll be wearing both of them. If I can't get the other one, I'll be sad, but I'll still wear that one. So that's pretty cool. But I want to see the availability of the other one first. Butter? Attack on Titan No Regrets Volume 1. Yeah, so, yeah. Oh, shit. You can't even see shit. We're flipping through this thing. Y'all haven't been able to see shit. That looked terrifying. So okay. So according to this is like Levi's story. Yeah, it's like it's just Levi's story. Interesting. What else do we got in the box? Ooh, what are you? A patch. A Kill la Kill patch. So if I remember right, she's the one that has the piece of the scissor blade with the finger slot on it. Which by that I mean like the opposite one of that. She has the like pending one. What else? Shirt, the pen, the bag. Alright. Let's see what anime they put together for this one. Hey, make sure it's my size. Because they did actually send me one that didn't. It's based on Free, or either Free or Dive, whichever. They're both swimming anime. It's just, you know, I've actually watched the first season of Free, which was the Awatobi Swim Club. I have not, however, seen Eternal Summer, or half, which I can't remember if that's like a abridged version or what, but you know, whatever. And so we got like that one, that one. That one, and then those two. So it's like those three, that one, and then the main guy here. But I don't know if that's based on like a single series or what, and it don't say. Unlike the ones from Loot Anime, which actually are focused on a single anime, so these guys normally aren't. Yeah, so the teamwork pin is that same husky that was holding the basketball, and then looks almost like a pug or something. Either way, it seems to be some sort of another breed of dog. I was going to say species. Another breed of dog. And then just Akibento, teamwork, 2017 the year, 08 the month. I keep meaning to start looking into a better camera. It just keeps slipping my mind. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so it's the Puppy's Basketball drawstring bag. Got one of 9 mini plushies, which is that. Either came from Kuroko no Basket or free Awatobi Swim Club. Yeah, the purple scissor blade necklace. The Ryoko bag, and so got your patch, your Ryoko patch, the piece of the scissor blade. Those are all the different little mini plushie keychains you could have got. So I know that one, and subsequently that one, because it's just the head of that one, and that one are all free Awatobi Swim Club. And that one, and seemingly those 3, based on the picture for the selfie contest, are Kuroko no Basket. Then you got your Puppy's Basketball, your exclusive teamwork shirt, your pin, and then your exclusive manga. Yeah, and then you have your selfie contest. Take a selfie of you wearing the t-shirt, put it on Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag Akibento, and you could win that figure. Stated as a Banpresto, which is the company that makes it, Kuroko no Basket 10-inch Tetsuya Kuroko Master Stars piece figure. Limited edition. Yep, and and then, you know, the theme is teamwork. So, gonna be losing some altitude. So, the theme was teamwork. And that's everything in the box. So, for you guys, only thing I can think of is, just because I'm not really a patch kind of guy, is the Kill la Kill patch. That's what is being given up this month, or this box. Oh. And I still got to do one other video. Alright guys, well, that's all I got for this video. I've started leaving a list of everything that is up for grabs in the description down below. So, you know, just sort of go and check that out down there. And also, I've started putting links to Akibento's website and the Loot Anime website, so you could maybe order these yourselves. I, unfortunately, due to not being sponsored, hopefully I can add yet to that statement, but, you know, who knows. I can't get you any discounts. However, I still think they're a really good box, and you should most definitely get them, just because it's like the fastest way I have found to build up your like anime collection and your anime collectibles. Alright, like I said, that's all I got for you on this one, so catch you later.